Kadipati Commissioner Jongka Southwest Khas Hill District Kong Karamai Khar Kongor Kabalongkum ka Kongsan Haga Jingalang Man Pelaj Pai Ba Ya Kawai ka Kon Bala Ai Kerteng Ka History Shaphang Sngap Syiem Kalapen ken mau baga jingdang jing start kalong kabodon kam bat kare ban sedang nadu badang kha bat hadu bande kenjo ya kerta ke jinglong temen Habakren halo ka history Shaphang Sngap Syiem balatho dai Dr. Belinda Marwen Assistant Professor Jong ka Sngap Syiem College Mawphor kala ong bakani ka kon kan salong ka wei ne ki benta ban ajing tim syakapateng ka ban sawan halo ka jinga lenti Jong Syiem bakraw Jong ka hima maharam Sngap Syiem le Namar kata lengbah kani ka kot kum kinong puliru kin shim yaka kum ka kot bantip Shaphang Sngap Syiem kum uriu pai ba Sngap Syiem kum Syiem ka hima maharam Kathma bat ki phareng bat ke jingkut jong kathma maharam ha kani gisngi layo ru ya ka jingkran lamprang halo kani ka kot ka history Shaphang Sngap Syiem da ka Dr. Belinda Marwen ibade nong tho jong kani ka kot kum kadak banle buram na ka benta ka jingno senyang jong kinong hikai bat kum juru kinong tri hapo ka Sngap Syiem College layo ban sami ki kusnam shaki saupungut kinong hikai khasan ngut kinong tri bat kum ju shaki arngut ki samla puli kiblon shakmat ha ka jing puli ka jongki Kiwei pat kiriu pa mat ke belai don lang hak negesngi ki kentup ya Syiem jo ke hima maharam upa nian ros yong u Reverend Dr. S.I. Yaupniau uba karne Shaphang MDC ka Mawphor constituency ubadei ru president ka alumni association ka Sngap Syiem College Mawphor bat ru kiwei pat kiriu rangba kinong hika jongka college bat ki samla pule ya ka jengelang lapanya dau Dr. KK Nongse Principal Jongka Sngap Syiem College Mawphor bat ka jingkran ai kublei na ka kongpi lengkhoi ka badai ka science teacher
naman kadi para jong om yang amido bahaban skrap no pia ka kerteng Sngap Syiem College namar ba da kliya pi to Sngap Syiem pi miate hot ken sengole ran ken yong kunta la da pi miatu pura ma pia ka history Shaphang Sngap Syiem kamot ba ka jingseng jong ka college ka kalong imti buik ta ti nakata daw ka nga ite balik tho hakin Shaphang jong umano malakad ba pitho ti ha ka pod mangida par san Sngap ka college na marada ho ila penmi ka jing tho ka khindia ha kan ba ikin mau pada le research solution di satai le impat le wajing te ila penmi ya kata ka jing tho ba ka jing tho yang ha kam pat ya ngasa nut ba ya kata ka jing ong jong i ba penduduk no ika kedeng Sngap Syiem phim tiu dik pe bana bit ko ka jing tho jonga bala tho ha ka souvenir jonga Sngap Syiem College ha jing lap absan snemru i ong kam pat biang setia Idang don shibun ki ban tip shu Shaphang Syiem namar ba i pastor i ong yanga mido dang don shu ban tip nrei mla ban yo jing tip na ki khon jong Syiem Sngap ki badai ki kur smai tang ong ya ki tiar thma rum pat yo i nanta shu ya ki kot kisla ki lum ki duler kanda wish ya pro klemio in ba kadan bat ki kun smai tang kam don bat ka kur Syiem le ti haba kum ta kadang don big question but nga ino hapi ki kana la shai ki bashim history la ni ki bashim ya kanu ka subject da pila ya depth ya ka masters to ya le research hala Syiem kampan pha shu la don hi wei scholar na po ne hu i wani kanu yang nga ikrupat yang so ha IC jing tip Shaphang Sngap Syiem wang em ta kot impat publish na la publish ya kata ka kot sa shim nang tu namar kadeka copyright jami nyimla ban shu ya ai la ya ai kum tu ke jing tip claim da yo ya ka credit jong ka jing trish tom kham tam ka Sngap Syiem College ka ba la krishan ka ba la bei ka slur yang ka ban tho ru ya kan ka jing tho ti nga ong kum ta ya phi ki khna ba phin nang dang ti jeliu shu Shaphang Syiem dang don ke scope ba phin ngam jeliu yo ni khanam ba kan don ka jing le hok yo Syiem ka jing tre jong u ti ngong ya i pastor la da imdan hang niru ka huge credit lion share collection bat i hamlen hak tenta iba persang tho ru hak kubor nang sang himala slam la dai snem shwa na kita ru yo reference katukan ni tingan namar kata kani ka kot wat la ka de ka kot ka batang dia selalu kan long ka jing tho ka ba ningkong ha ka dur jong ka kot ndi ha ka dur small article tinggal kermen makan nong kajing kerku ya itu kinong wan wat jing tep makin sayo barkum curu na All India Radio Shlong ki ba wan pan jing tep Shaphang Sngap Syiem ki ongi kwa ban yelek drama ko ka All India Radio ya tang pala dan yim jing tep te ni ap na pis no ha pen mi no ta ka ko kalau long kajing terki Tinga don ke jingkermen bad lembah ini ikut ibarat wat lai long ibarat kata-kata ru kat prospektus jong ka college penban kermen ba ladangin translate susu sakatin hareng ha ko kini ki panai ki banwan insala ban lek khamha bat kin padon kam ki academic serengkat bat kum juru bat ki khana jongi ki badan han ga kerpa ke ki khana school namni dal apren ya kanika ko ki bakham bon ki ko pingen bo sa library bat sngap hasaya puli Shaphang ban nang ban appreciate ya uta ba ka college ka ai burang ka ai nam ya u hadu kanika por ka bamenta.
A person who we can always make out the difference of a person who is literate and that who is uneducated as against one who is unliterate, uneducated. It contributes a lot to society as well, because you know, if one is educated, we would be having less crimes, domestic crimes, drug abuse, and all these social menace that we are facing as a society today. So, student friends, I would like to say that let us know that education is not just passing and getting good grades. It is a process that it is from the cradle to the grave. Every day we learn. Every day we learn something new, something contributory to the society. So education has also a moral aspect in it. So. And today I keep repeating, at the course of repetition, I keep saying that it is really a moment of pride for me that here in Southwest Khatsi Hills we have a great college taking the name of a very great king. And just today we have also witnessed the submissions of our Professor Kong Bilin the Mawin, who has brought out this very informative and very precious booklet. It doesn't really matter, Kong, whether it is a booklet or a book, it is actually the content. The content is something that everyone looks for. We do not want a book of 100 pages or a book of many pages. It is all pointless if the content is not there. So the same way I talk to you students, we as students, it doesn't really matter where we get the marks, the marks, the 90% or 95%, if we ourselves, if the content in us are not good. So education is very inclusive. It's an inclusive thing, which I think all of us in this room understand and value it. It's even nice to hear that at least the college, after 37 years, they have found it fit to celebrate, to recognize this day as the Foundation Day. Because 37 years back, from humble beginnings, where we stand today, we see that it's a very different picture. We have buildings and the number of students that come out of the college, and most of them have also contributed a lot and have found their place in society and be independent in their lives. So it is actually a day of pride for all of us here, more so because this is the only college catering to the needs of the student population in the district. So, in fact, I laud the founding members of this college, and the honor that today we remember with respect the contributions that Reverend Hiao has given, who was the founder and secretary and the current vice president of this college. We can just go through memory lane and try to visualize ourselves and how he had started the college with a song on a one-room foundation. So we are indeed very proud to have you, and also the members of the governing council, and all of you today, the teachers, the students who make up this college, to make it a very memorable day.